A dog's nose is typically wet for a few reasons. 1. Moisture retention. Dogs have a thin layer of mucus on their noses that helps to retain moisture. This moist layer helps to keep the nose cool and prevent it from drying out. 2. Enhanced sense of smell. A wet nose helps to enhance a dog's sense of smell. The moisture on the nose helps to capture scent particles in the air, allowing dogs to more effectively detect and track scents. 3. Thermoregulation. Dogs don't sweat in the same way humans do, as they have fewer sweat glands. Instead, they regulate their body temperature through panting and by dissipating heat through their nose and paw pads. The moisture on their nose can aid in this cooling process. 4. Health indicator. A wet nose can also be an indicator of a dog's overall health. If a dog's nose is unusually dry or excessively wet and runny, it could be a sign of an underlying health issue. It's always important to monitor your dog's nose and consult a veterinarian if you notice any concerning changes. It's worth noting that not all dogs have constantly wet noses, and the moisture levels can vary throughout the day. Factors such as humidity, temperature, and individual differences can influence the wetness of a dog's nose.